Alright, mail time. Okay, so let's unbox this package that we got yesterday in the mailbox. Make sure I don't damage the stuff inside. It's pretty no crack, right? Okay. So here we got this. It's a huge box, guys, but of course there's some bubble wrap inside to protect the actual item. Sour!
Come on. You go see. I saw it, now I'm going.
So, here guys, this is what we got in the mail. It's a Chefman coffee maker. We got this for $35, which is not bad. I mean, it's a single serving coffee maker, and we wanted to really get this size for our boat to use for the weekend. And we're kind of done with Keurig for some reason, so we're like kind of looking for a off-brand so-called, but this is really not off-brand since Chefmate is a well-known brand too. So let's see what's inside this box. Of course, it's gonna be a coffee maker. So first, when you open the box, there's the manual, model number, user guide 1 and 2. They're both user guide. On the picture outside, there's a stainless steel coffee cup. This is not included, and I've read that on the description before I purchased this item. Okay, so finally got this Chefman coffee maker. It's really nice. It's very light. I like it, guys. And there's the rubber thing so that the coffee won't spill. And look like this when you open this. So this is where you put the water. This is the water tank, coffee maker water tank. And this one is for the K-cup. The K-cup is where you put the coffee. So this is like a coffee filter, K-cup size. And it tells you that this is how to use this. There's a front thing that says there, so it should be put this way, like that. And yes, and once there's water already, clip it like that. Pretty nice. So I'll show you tomorrow when we actually use this coffee maker for the first time. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so I already rinsed this K-cup or the coffee filter and this thing that comes with it to click the coffee filter. So they're both rinsed, and now, okay, I already did wipe this off with a damp paper towel to make sure that there's no dust or any kind of dirt. And I did the initial cleaning according to the user guide. So now we're gonna run the water, just plain water, before we use this. So I'll be putting 14 ounces of water into the water tank. So that's the right amount for me. And it says to insert this gel. Plug it in. Okay, so now that it's plugged in, I hope that you can see it real nice. I'll just use this cup. Beauty. Okay, so we'll close the lid there, and there's a button right here. We'll click it. I don't hear any noise. Okay, I hear it now. There. That's awesome. So it's really working. It's doing the cleaning thing, just with hot water. That's the power button. Okay, it's done. Wow, so I can finally use it tomorrow for our coffee, morning coffee. The initial cleaning is done and can't wait for tomorrow.
Nice scrub.
Ay.
What the heck?
Oh.
Why'd you push that?
I'm still getting used to it. Ay, excuse me.
Excuse me.
My sour loves to utot.
Oops.
Traffic jam.
It's trying to squeeze out, man. What I did was I put my nose up there to smell it.
Oops, done.
Yeah, it's really low.
Okay, coffee time.